Yo, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Her name is Vibe. If you're new here, I have done this introduction like 144 times. I am tired. Okay, so let's go. You know what? How you guys doing? I hope everybody's fine. If you're new here, his name is Vibe, and I'm here with another banging video. Excuse my light, because my ring light spoiled. So I'm just going to be using what I have. Rain has been falling, so everywhere is dark. But I had to do this, else I'm not going to do it again. So I'm here with another banging video, which is not even another banging video, like another DIY body scrub. If you made it here, I am so proud of you. Like, if you made it to this side, you stayed to the end. So I'm just going to literally be showing you how to use the body scrub. Note that I said body scrub, so I'm going to definitely be getting comments like, should we use it on my face? Or some people will use it on their face. Yo, you can use it on your face, but if your face is really sensitive, yeah, I advise not to, because my face is really sensitive too. Because I literally wrote body scrub there, and you still use it on your face. If your face doesn't react to things like that, yeah, sure. I didn't tell you that, sharp, but yeah, sure, you can use it. But it's a body scrub, so it's just expected to use on your body. And like I said earlier, it doesn't lighten. It just makes your skin very smooth and makes it glow, basically. So if you're looking for something that I just don't just, when you watch the video you make your own and you come and tell me that you're seeing a different results, don't use it on your face, please. I'm begging you. You can. Okay, the thing is that you can. Okay, I'm contradicting myself now. You can if your face doesn't react to things. Like, you know, I added vanilla extract. I don't know, your face might react to that. So just advise yourself to your body. I'm not saying this is my face scrub, and if I'm using face scrub, I personally don't even use organic face scrub because it doesn't work for me. I use something dermatologically tested. So yeah, the lip scrub, I added flavor, which is like strawberry, and it doesn't make, if you want something to make your lip pink or like temporary or lighten your lip a little, I think you should use beetroot oil when making your lip scrub, yeah. But what I added now, the honey, the sugar, the coconut oil, yo, it's for smooth, soft lips. Don't just tell me that, oh, my lip is not getting pink. I know they sell pink lip cream. I didn't make pink lip scrub. It's for smooth, soft lips. Because my lips are not really dark, so I'm not really bothered. I don't think having a dark lip should even make you bothered. I don't know. Everyone has their insecurities as well. This scrub I'm making, body scrub, is for body. Please use it on your body. You can use it on your face if you're sure your face won't react to it. But like I said, facial scrubs, my facial scrubs are not organic. I don't use organic on my face. The lip scrub is for smooth, soft lips. It exfoliates your lips. But don't just, like I said, if you want something that will lighten your lip, maybe you should get beetroot make it pink a little, yeah. So yeah, pretty much that is. If you made it to this video, if you made it here and you've not hit the subscribe button, and you're wrong, you're wrong now. You are wrong. You are very wrong. See, I'm doing all this because I'm really feeling my face right now, because I'm not going out and my makeup is banging like this. Anyways, see, I'm not going to tell you the usual, I promise to be consistent, you know, and that's by the way. So if you made it here, just please help your girl subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends because it might be really helpful to people.